What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Raven Simone. So today I'm doing a tutorial on how I do my perm rod set on my hair, and I usually do this when my hair has been flat ironed or it's just old or like dirty, because I feel like it comes out pretty good. But I decided to wash my hair and blow dry it on cool, and yeah, I like to do that because I like it when it's like stretched out, because it's more fluffy and like, I don't know, it just looks better when it's blown out a little bit. But I do want to let y'all know that I did use these two when I blow dried my hair, just to protect my hair. I use this Redken's anti-snap. Yeah, anti-snap. This is really expensive. This is like $18. And then I use this Tresemme heat protecting spray. Even though I did blow dry my hair on cool, I still wanted to, you know, protect it from heat, because it's still heat coming out of it, honestly. So yeah, and I also got these perm rods. This is what I'm going to be using. I don't know the inch of these, but I think all orange ones around are the same inch. They look like this. So these are the ones I'm going to be using. I got 3 packs, which is 36. Hopefully that's enough. So yeah, and I'm also using this mousse. This is my favorite mousse. I use this for my perm rod sets, my flexi rod sets. If I just want to mousse my hair down for a low bun, anything, this is my favorite mousse. And this is by Eben. This is the Curl and Twist Foam and Lotion. Wrap and Shine. I love this mousse. So that's what we're going to do. So let's jump in. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start in the front, just so y'all can see how I do the front. And so when I do these, I don't like it to be like neat or anything. Like, it doesn't have to be uniform. The parts don't have to be straight. I'm only parting this part like right here with the comb so I can show y'all, you know. And I want the front to be like super defined. I want it a little bit smaller. Then I will have the rest. So, and if you run out of perm rods, you can always use flexi rods. It's the same thing. These are just smaller in diameter. So this is how much I'm gonna take in the front, and I'm gonna pin the rest back. Okay, so the key to have this like really cute, fluffy, natural looking, you don't want to have all of them like super uniform. Like, you don't want to go the same way. So if you roll this way on one, the next time go that way, and go back and forth like that. So when you take it down and fluff it out, it's gonna be super, you know, curly. I probably should have got a smaller comb, but whatever. So I want this. I want these to be pretty. Oh, I think. Okay, so since my hair is already blow dry, but my real hair is natural, I'm gonna go in with some mousse, but not too much mousse to where my hair curls back up, because that would defeat the purpose. And I'm gonna try to keep it stretched out like this, and I want to make sure I put a lot at the end of my hair. Then I'm gonna take one and wrap it. And pull and wrap so it doesn't come loose easy, and it stays straight. Because if you let it curl back up, then you defeated the purpose of blow drying it. And then just like that, and you keep going. I'm gonna do another one to show y'all in the front. So the other time I went this way, so this time I'm gonna go the opposite way. And make sure you have enough mousse at the end, because you don't want to take these down and then the piece at the end is straight, or it's like a different type of curly. So that's how you want to do it. like that. And I'm gonna keep on going, and I'll get back with y'all to show y'all the back part. Okay, so now I'm on the side, and the front I want to take it down and it fall like this so I can have fluff in front of my face, or I can flick to the side if I wanted to. And for the sides, I want the barrels to go this way, not like this, which you can, it really doesn't matter, but I want them to go this way because I want them to fall in long ways, and I want to have the illusion that I have more length than I really do. So and make sure you put enough mousse on it, not too much, not too less. And then I'm going to do the same pattern as I was doing in the front. So if I start with one way, the next one will be the opposite way. Like that. Okay, you guys, so I'm finally at the back of my head, and I actually have these. I have this row and doubled it up because I wanted more in the front. So now it's time to do the back, and I'm just gonna pick a piece. Does not have to be perfect. It's actually best, comes out better if you don't make straight lines and stuff that look more natural. That my mousse. And I'm gonna continue that throughout the whole row. Okay, so I finished my hair, and now I'm going to go in with some mousse and just pat it on top just to seal everything. And I'm gonna blow dry it on high for like maybe like 5 minutes or so, just so some of it can firm up. And I'll check back in with y'all tomorrow and take it down so y'all can see what it looks like. What's up, you guys? Welcome back. So it's the next day, and it's currently 5:36, and I finished my hair around 12 yesterday. So these have been in my head longer than 12 hours, maybe about 15 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and it's important that you have a pick. So if you don't have a pick, make sure you go get a pick. If you got a wide tooth comb, that works too, but I like to use a pick for my roots. So I go ahead and start by taking them out one at a time, and by section I'm gonna separate them so I don't have to do it all at once when they're all out my head. So like this is the first section I did and started with, so I'm gonna just take all of these out first. And then you want to get, I hope y'all can see, I hope it's not like too bright or anything. Oop, can't see. Okay, so you want to get the curl and separate it little by little like that to each one. Just keep separating it. I think it's too bright. It might be too dark. I think these lights are too yellow for this room, but so take it like this. So I'm gonna do my whole head like this, and I'll come back once I'm done, but just separate it. Maybe pull like 3 or 4 strings out of each curl, each individual curl, because you want it to be full and natural looking. Okay, so I pulled it all apart. It's definitely giving grandma, but just give me a second. So you want to go in with your favorite oil and put some on your hands, because so it won't be like super crunchy and still like nourished. Okay, so I get some of that, and I'm using jojoba oil, just organic jojoba oil from this store. Okay, now when you think you got them all pulled apart, you're gonna go in with your pick, and you're gonna grab some and pick it up like that. the more you pick, the bigger it'll be, and the further down, like this. Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope y'all can see it. I mean, that may be too bright, but you get the gist. So I just fluffed it out and I kept picking at it until it was like at my liking. And make sure y'all take the curls apart like this before you start picking it out. And yeah, you get these cute fluffy curls, and as the day go on, they'll probably get a little bit bigger, may fall more, whatever. I think it looks cuter the older it gets. So yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. See you in the next one.